Okay, this is stock number 1195J. This is a 5 of 2011 Fiat 500 Metro. Yeah. So, got a bad alternator in this thing and it's barely holding juice, so it's running a little rough. But no check engine light on. But it's got the 1.4 liter multi-air motor. I mean, she is shaking a little bit, but like I said, it's got a voltage light that keeps... actually, let me shut the headlights off. I just noticed those are on. Yeah, that'll... oh, now we do have a check engine light. Okay. I'll have to check that out. Because it's flashing, too, so that's not a good thing. But the battery light's on. So something's going on. But the biggest problem with this thing is the throw-up bearing on the clutch totally is seized. When you first fire it up, it makes just this hellacious squealing noise and everything. So the transmission itself is fine. It does go in and out of every gear, but it doesn't actually shift gears because the clutch is all messed up. But aside from that, I mean, the body on this thing is immaculate. There's like not one parking lot ding on it. It looks real nice. You know, for a Fiat. You know. But it's not bad. California emissions on it and everything. I'm going to take and check out what that light might be. And I'll get right back to you in a sec. Okay, this is confusing me. So that little lightning bolt red light, which I'm going to look up to see what the heck that is still flashing. But now I don't have a check engine light. And when I go to read the codes, as you can see right here, if I can get the, there we go. No codes. So, I don't get it. I will do more research on this and get back to you.